Waiting in line can be time-consuming. QCC makes it easier to receive in-person services. Students at QCC can now take advantage of a smarter, safer way to receive services with EZQ. EZQ allows you to get in line virtually and receive a text message when your turn is approaching. Getting started with EZQ is simple and can be done on your PC, in the QCC mobile app, or through text messaging. Signing up through EZQ's text message option is extremely simple. Simply text QuinSig to 508-315-6028 and you will be immediately placed into the queue to be connected to a number of services, including financial aid, admissions, advising, the Student Success Center, the business office, and even our bookstore. Once you select the service you would like to receive, you will be given an estimated wait time. Grab a coffee, read a book, enjoy time with your family and friends. As you move up in the virtual line, you will receive updates via text messaging so you will know when to head to the office to receive your services. This way, you can be in the right place at the right time. It's that simple. Receiving help is easy with EZQ at QCC. Use the link below to see how to use EZQ QCC's mobile app or PC service. Quinsigamon Community College. College made smarter.